The most beautiful sound I've ever heard in my entire life. I was holidaying in Cuba, actually on a small island off of Cuba, and I was in one of those, resort complexes where you've got the hotel and the restaurants and things, and it's all inclusive. And one day I decided to remove myself from all of that, and I took a drive further up this small island off Cuba. Very little air traffic overhead, so very little background noise, and I found a beach, and I went swimming, and I was, as you do, kind of relaxing in the water, when I noticed that the tone of the sound from the waves was changing. There was kind of a resonance that had got. There wasn't a lot of waves, there was just like gently lapping water, but the water slowly changed till it was sounding like bells, very small jingle bells or whatever, and this bell sound slowly became musical in nature, and just this beautiful natural bell music coming from the sea. And it lasted, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes, and then it was over. But to describe or reproduce it would be very hard. But just this natural, echoing, almost not there at all sound of the water ringing on itself, resonating. That would be the most beautiful sound I've ever heard.